Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another episode of Islam for Mankind. Inshallah, we're gonna talk briefly about some verses pertaining. There is many miracles of the Quran, and the Quran is full of wisdom, and it's literally the word of God and changed, sent to Prophet Muhammad. And there is so many miracles, scientific miracles, many miracle, linguistic miracles, and so many things. So we today, inshallah, briefly we're gonna just touch on the miracles of the ocean, or there is many phenomena that was described accurately to its minute detail in the Quran. And inshallah, we're gonna touch briefly on some of them. So let us watch a brief video, inshallah, and we will discuss some of them. So that was me going into the deep ocean to discover some of the. So just a curiosity. So inshallah, so we will here. So as you can see, this is called the Quran on the sea and the river. Here in the Quran 55, Quran chapter 55, verse 19 through 20, it says, here you can see, you can read, He has set free the two seas meeting together, and there is a barrier between them. They do not transgress. So when we analyze the ocean, like let's take an example, just an example, and there is many phenomena that you can see out there. If we see, for example, the Atlantic Ocean water and the Mediterranean Sea water by the region which is Gibraltar, you can see that although the Mediterranean Sea water, as it enters the Atlantic over the Gibraltar, still with its own warm, saline, and less than characteristics because of the barrier that distinguishes between them. It appears that, although you see two bodies of waters together, but they do not mix. Absolutely, they do not mix. And this is a phenomenon that can be found in the marine geology, on page 43, with a slight enhancement. So this is a scientific research that you can research as if you go to the marine geology, Quenin, page 43, you will see this yourself. Although there are large waves, strong currents and tides in these seas, they do not mix or transgress this barrier. The Holy Quran mentioned that there is a barrier between the two seas that meet and they do not transgress. God said in the Quran, He has set free the two seas. He has set free the two seas meeting together. There is a barrier between them. They do not transgress. But when the Quran speak about the divider between fresh and salt water, it mentioned the existence of a forbidden partition with the barrier. God has said in the Quran, He is the one who has set free the two kinds of water, one sweet and one palatable, and the other salty and bitter. He has made between them a barrier and a forbidden partition. This is interesting. This is how the salt water maintain its salinity and the sweet water maintain all of that. This is a miracle in itself. So let us just ponder that. And there is many miracles right here. So this is one of my favorite books. You can, if you go to my website, Rachidm.blogspot.com, or you can put Rashid Mahdi presentation, Islam Guide PDF, and we included all this Islam Guide free of charge. So you can watch it yourself, inshallah, and read it. So here you go, the deep sea, the Quran and the clouds. You can see many miracles, and this is just going through, just giving an update basically. So there is many miracles here. So this was just to touch base on the miracles of the Quran, and thank you for tuning to Islam for Mankind. Thank you for tuning to Islam for Mankind. جزاكم الله خيرا. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. So, inshallah, we will do more shows, brief shows, inshallah, and we keep you in touch. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much. This is your host, Rashid Mahdi from Islam for Makkah.